How you doing? So yes, hair. I love hair. Oh my God. You guys know I have not worn my hair this long and I don't know when. But I'm liking it. I'm not complaining. I'm gonna ride it out until I get tired. However, this is Julia's Virgin Hair off of AliExpress. I have the lengths of, I have two 18s, one 16, and a 16-inch lace frontal. Yes, it's super flat. I love it. I did not pluck anything because I already knew that I was going to wear this in a middle part, or pretty much like a part maybe over here or over here. So I didn't have to pluck anything to make the size look realistic or anything like that. I knew what I wanted to do. I'll probably still have a little bit of glue. I used the Got To Be glue to lay it down. I have the clear one and I have the regular one that's kind of creamy. So the yellow tube and the actual black tube. I love it. I do not have the free spray as of yet. I will be investing in that because I want everything. I want everything to hold it down. But I love this hair. This is the Peruvian Body Wave. Guys, I haven't had Peruvian hair in a minute. I've been rocking with the Brazilian. Let me get some water. I've been eating goobers, y'all. Oh my God, I love goobers. I love peanuts and chocolate. So like baby Ruths, things like that. I'm getting off the subject. I love that. I don't eat it all the time, but when I do, it's like, ugh. But let's have some water on deck. So this is Body Wave hair. Guys, oh my God, I love the look. I love it. This reminds me of the classic, how when I first started wearing weave, when I was getting sew-ins, and then when I started making my own units, this is the style that I went for. It was effortless for me. It was no, I had nothing to think about. I did not even have to cut. The only thing I did was when I curled the hair, I did take the scissors and I just went down just like that. I left the hair as is because I want to wear it in this state. I want to keep it long. I don't want to chop it up. I have an obsession with cutting hair. I like to cut, not my hair, but cutting extensions. It's just like something about cutting extensions is, I get a high out of it. So I have a lot of, wigs. You guys know that. But yeah, so far so good. I made the unit. I did not cut any of the wefts. I did run out of hair. So I've have hair, around the house, little strips like this size to this size. So I was lucky I had a nice little strip about this long. It was Body Wave. It was not Peruvian. It was Brazilian. No, it was Malaysian. And I had to just put it right up in here. I needed 2 more rows. So I was able to put that in, and the unit is amazing. I am going to put an elastic band in this unit because I purchased a canvas head, and that is supposed to be your head. I ordered 22-inch circumference. I probably should have got a 21 because I have a little head. I didn't realize that. I didn't want to get nothing bigger than that, but I should have got a 21 or a 21 and a half, because when I put the actual cap on the canvas head, it pretty much molds the wig cap the way it's going to be. And I feel that it's snug to my head, but it's not snug like when I use the foam head, because the foam head is teeny. So it's not as snug as that. But however, it feels good. I'm going to put an elastic band right here. So and it is going to help me to where I'm not going to have to use too much Got To Be, just probably around the ear area. That's it. But let's get into this hair, y'all. I didn't cut anything. I didn't even cut the ends, and you see how good that looks. I said, let me go back classic. Let me go back classic and just, wear the extensions as they are. Don't manipulate them too much. But I am going to color this hair next week. I already went and purchased the dye. I'm going to lift it. I'm going to use box dye. So that's going to be something different for me, because I haven't used box dye in years. I used it on my natural hair. No, I never dyed my natural hair. My relaxed hair back in the day. But I want to just lift it a little bit. I bought a blonde dye. I'm just going to just put some balayage or some ombre going on. I want the ends to be super duper light, and I want it to kind of go gradient. So I'm going to work on that next week. This is going to stay on for at least 3 to 4 days because this is down. It's down. So Once I take it off, I'm going to go ahead and color. I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you guys how it looks. And I'm going to show you guys how I curl the hair. I mean, you can curl your hair any kind of way you want to, but I definitely use a barrel curling iron to get these nice little curls. This is so classic, guys. So classic. I love it. I'm going to rock this for a while. But back into the hair. I made the unit and then I washed the whole unit. I don't wash my bundles, not unless I'm actually dyeing the bundles, and then I'll go in and I'll wash the bundles that way. Then I'll sew everything on. But I'm still going to rewash the bundle all over again. I mean, rewash the unit all over again. But I like to wash the cap as well that comes in the little package. I like to wash everything. But I do like it. Let me know your thoughts down below. Isn't this classic, guys? Like, you know, middle part, loose waves. You know, I like it. And it's so flat. Oh my God. It's amazing how the frontal can be so flat. I can like pull this back if I wanted to. And it'll be so flat. But the actual edges would be thick because the hairline was very prominent. You know, you can definitely see the hairline. But just to wear it like this, throw it on. You know, if you want to put a hat on, a scarf, or a nice headband, it's good to go because you can't see anything. You can't. And then when the wind blows, it doesn't really matter because the wind is blowing. And then you don't got to worry about the cap showing. Guys, lace frontals, lace frontals. But the only thing, make sure you, I mean, with the well, I don't even have it in front of with the got to be glue, it's gel. So as long as you take it off properly and you wet it, it won't ruin your edges. I kind of put my glue a little bit above my hairline because I don't want it to you know, just get involved. But I like the got to be glue. It does what it's supposed to do, and that's it. Like, I'll keep this on probably for two days, maybe. Knowing me, I'm and take it off, and I'll put it back on in the morning. Maybe. Because I do have other wigs I can just throw on. I don't have to worry about glue or nothing like that. They just go on and they look good. So guys, what do you think? Let me know down below. Let me know down below. And I'm thinking about, guys, I'm not sure. I do make wigs for, like, you know, my friends and my family. I'm thinking about making wigs because I do enjoy it. I like to sit down. Let me give you a little short story. I'm going over here. I make wigs, I watch TV, I have a little sip, and I just, you know, you just go to town. If you got people with you, you just go to town. So I'm thinking about it. I will let you guys know if I do. I know some folks have asked me before, you know, on Messenger or even in my description, or they sent me messages via YouTube. Those are the folks I will reach out to first to see if they still are interested, you know. But yes, I'm thinking about making wigs. I'm thinking. So I'll keep you posted. I'm not sure. So I want to say hey to all my new subscribers. All the information down below about this hair. It's really nice. Only thing that's kind of, you know, is super dark. It's definitely dark hair, as you can see. It's the natural color. It's super dark. I do like it. It curled very well. It's loose now. I curled it earlier and I put some hairspray on it, so now it's just pretty much falling. But however, I do enjoy the hair. I like it. I can't complain. I have no complaints. I have no complaints. Just look at it. It looks good. It just looks good. So I will leave all the information down below about this hair. Guys, looks good. Let me know your thoughts down below. And hey to all my new subscribers. Hey to all my loyals. Thanks for hanging out with me. And I'll catch you in my next video. You guys are so good to me. Bye.